Hi everyone, since I could not join you in person, my team is there. So I thought I'll give you a quick overview of what industry looks at from the students who are coming out of the colleges. So this will give you a different dimension than what my team is already adding, which is the knowledge about digital marketing, knowledge about advertisement. So I will add a different dimension to it. My name is Ajay. I am CEO co-founder to INT TechShu, and hopefully we will have many opportunities to meet together. If you are passionate about digital marketing and if you really want to learn, I'm always happy to add as much value as we can, because we come from industry. And one is you learning about the theory, you learning about the structures of how to take a problem, solve it from an overall theoretical perspective. But when you come to industry, there can be some framework changes, some techniques changes, and etc. It is our responsibility to add value, so we'll be able to add value to you. So if you are passionate about digital marketing, learning, not about job only and etc. So if you're interested, just tell that to my team and we will be able to connect and we can take it forward. So just a quick view, what is industry looking at today? Because the world has changed, digital marketing has changed. So what we are looking at today is not the people who can just run advertisement or who can do SEO or who can do some of these things, because today those things are relatively standard. A lot of things are automated. Like in advertisement, most of the things that we do is AI driven. Power 5 of Facebook, Performance Max of Google, everything. You'll be able to learn some of those things with my team. But what we are looking at is people who are good at problem solving, who can do first principle thinking, who can do critical thinking. Together you can become a good problem solver. Why it is important is because the world is changing, new problems are coming, even your seniors don't know what is the problem. So if you know how to do a problem solving, you might be the leader into this. It does not matter what is your age, does not matter what is your experience. What matters is, are you a good problem solver? Can you solve the problems before that? Because you have access to knowledge, and now with chat GPTs of the world, you have access to a very concrete, specific knowledge that can be done very quickly. So that means if you have the knack to problem solving, you can get those knowledge much faster. So that's one. Second is learning how to learn. Because as I said, the topics, new topics are coming up every now and then. But how do you learn? Learning is not by default. Learning does not happen when a teacher is entering into the class. Learning is all about creating a structure, creating a skeleton, then adding the muscles to it, which is random knowledge. So within the learning, you have deep learning, structured learning, continuous learning, exposure learning, so multiple things. So learn how to learn, and I will suggest go through 21st century skills of World Economics Times, you'll get an idea. So overall, there are a lot of things that are changing, a lot of stuff happening. So we are extremely passionate about digital marketing. We are doing some of the best frameworks in the world, and we are doing some of the fantastic work. So we are always looking for, helping the people who want to come to the world class. So if you are interested, please tell that to the team. We'll be happy to host you. We'll be happy to give you some extra training. Always ready to help people who have the passion. So let's make it the best. And I wish all of you a great success. Wherever you have any kind of a trouble, any kind of knowledge requirement, feel free to access any one of us. It's our responsibility to add value to the academia, because we are coming from industry background. So it is our responsibility to add value to it. We'll be always ready to add value to any one of you. Looking forward to connecting with you at some time, hosting you in our offices. Thank you so much, and looking forward to it.